There's a checklist that every quarterback goes through. Is this the right play? What's the defense doing? And most importantly, do you have the right protection?
Same goes with being homeowners. Did you get the right home insurance?
Security? And what about a home warranty?
For that, we trust HomeSafe.
A home warranty from HomeSafe can save homeowners thousands on costly repairs and replacements for over 20 essential home systems and appliances.
And for covered repairs, if HomeSafe can't fix it, they help replace it. All you have to do is call before something breaks.
I've been a HomeSafe customer for under a year, and I've already saved $500 for repairs.
Here's what a home without HomeSafe looks like.
And this is one with a plan through HomeSafe.
Do nothing right now, and you could get blindsided with expensive repairs.
Or get HomeSafe like us.
Instead of getting hit with home appliance or system repair bills, call HomeSafe today for a free no-obligation quote on plans that protect over 20 essential systems and appliances and come with one low monthly price and no commitment. Call HomeSafe now to get your free quote and lock in your plan in just minutes. 800-894-4890.
With HomeSafe, you choose the plan, the coverage, and get a team of all pro local technicians nationwide.
It's your home. You should protect it the way you want to.
Best of all, HomeSafe makes it easy to file a claim 24/7, online or on the phone.
Pick up the phone and call HomeSafe because HomeSafe works for me, and I know it'll work for you.
Life's a little like football. Nobody wants to get hit, especially when it comes to expensive repairs or replacements to home systems and appliances.
Having HomeSafe versus the alternative isn't even close. This one call can help you save thousands.
Take it from us. If you want great home warranty protection, call HomeSafe.
Get your free quote and call now. Save thousands on your next covered home repair with HomeSafe. Call today for your free quote and lock in your plan. 800-894-4890. That's 800-894-4890. 800-894-4890.